So, you've been tasked with finding a patch management tool that is not only simple to implement, but also reliable? Look no further than Syxsense Manage. While you can achieve policy driven automation at our higher tiers, you can still create a successful patching strategy using this tier and deploy software packages. Let's get started. The items we need to have for a successful patch plan are where the scanning or patching will be applied, what scanning or patching will be performed, and when we'd like the work to be done in the form of a schedule or a maintenance window. As you can see here for the where, Syxsense is multi-tenant in nature, so we can easily organize and segregate your endpoints however is necessary, which has already been done, so let's move on to when. Most schedules center around Patch Tuesday, so first thing we'll need to establish is a maintenance window. We'll keep things simple and name it Patch Tuesday. Leave everything else as default. You'll see we have a Patch Tuesday option, and we'll set this for a safe 2 days after Patch Tuesday. Now that we have a schedule, we can create our task, which is the reason we are here today, and see how simple it is to schedule and deploy patches. Here, you have our 3 W's mentioned at the beginning of this video, starting with where. We're going to keep this simple by choosing all, but we can get as granular and segregated as we'd like with the device queries and groups. The what portion will also be simple by choosing all for the patches. When is where we will define the schedule by selecting the maintenance window we reviewed earlier. Select our reboot option. Let's be nice, and if the reboot is required, we'll give the user a custom UI prompt to let them know their device needs a reboot. The deployment step gives you more control on the process of deployment. And now we have the summary of the now scheduled task we are deploying. Clicking Finish, I have made my environment one step closer to a successful patching strategy. Of course, you can edit, review, or remove tasks as they run, and your posture becomes more secure. As your skills with Syxsense and newly found visibility into your environment evolve, the tool evolves with you. One way that takes place is with software deployment. Looking to distribute an updated software package to one or many endpoints? We have that feature as well. It's similar to the patch deployment, but instead of Syxsense preventing the patch library for you, you upload your own software package. To do so, simply create the new deployment using the wizard and upload your package. MSI are preferred, but other formats are acceptable using the correct silent install arguments. Then, to complete our task, we use the same process we learned earlier, but using software deploy instead of patch deploy to our selected endpoints.